redo it. You didn't tell us.
It's recording.
Daddy. It's not. We're not gonna
Okay, you gotta start from the beginning.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Today we will be reviewing Georjah.
Go ahead, start over.
Today we'll be reviewing Georjah's detailing mini kits. Yup.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Alright, first we have Kiss My Glass.
They couldn't wait for that one. What is that, do you think?
It is glass cleaner. Rebel Kiss My Glass cleaner.
Alright.
Okay, I will go next. We have Blue Magic tire dressing.
Ooh.
It is a I don't know, but still, it's beautiful.
You're right. Okay.
Alright,
Haley, what do you
Haley,
have?
go next. Waterless Wash.
Ooh, what do you think that's for?
Yeah, I don't know. I will read it. It is for, I think it's for.
Kind of in the name.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Waterless wash.
Oh, I think it's
waterless wash.
It cleans. It's like soap cleaning your car.
Yes.
Okay.
Without using water.
All right, I'll be next. I have Rebel Voodoo Iron Remover. It removes industrial fallout, iron particles, emery containment. I don't know. But still, I tried my best. But this is it.
Tried my best.
Okay, Haley, we're gonna do these last, so I'm just gonna do this quick. All right. We got Rebel Honey Shot Wash and Wax. This is like for washing cars and waxing your car. Okay. This is a
Microfiber cloth.
Yep, microfiber cloth. It's very soft. All right, next we have air fresheners. Mine stock vehicle repellent.
What do you think that means?
It's an air freshener for your car.
Right.
Ouch and breeze. So, please buy this because it's very now, yes. Now, please. We love all these products. We're probably gonna use them a lot. Georgia's a really good friend of ours. Please go follow her. What's her Instagram name?
Georjah.
Georjah. Yes, Georjah.
If I want to shop, do you know where I can go?
Georjah
Limited? LTD?
LimitedLTD.com.
Sure. They'll find her.
No, yeah, we'll find. But that's what we reviewed. What's
Who
your
makes
favorite?
the Georjah kit?
Georjah!
What did you say?
What's your favorite thing out of this? Okay, my favorite thing is that too, but I'm fixing it right.
Does Renegade make the kit?
Sure.
Okay.
And these are my favorite. Oh, and let's here.
That doesn't work. It doesn't work. This doesn't.
There's our Instagram name.
It's made by Renegade Products.
It's made by Renegade Products.
Say,
Learn the renegade.
make sure to buy this Georjah kit from Renegade Products.
Make sure to buy this from Georgia's mini. Okay. Anyways, please buy it off of Renegade.
Now.
RenegadeProducts.com. Make sure to check out this kit from Renegade Products. Please buy it.
Now.
Georgia's a really good friend of ours. Please. So Haley, what do you think about this?
Amazing.
Amazing. I think it's really cool. We can't wait to wash our mini trucks.
Why is that your favorite, Haley?
Kiss my glass.
I walked into that one.
Kiss my glass. Oh, and also make sure to follow all of our Instagram account. Mom is DeniseLun85.
Look forward to seeing us in more videos.
Jamie's is Miniature Colt Podcast. Oh, and follow our dog, Bridget Trucker Colt.
Bridget.
And JJ. behind the scenes, BTS. What is your Instagram account name?
I have several.
Just tell me what.
I don't know which one's on.
Follow Jamie Boy. What?
I have Jane Boy, Lane Boy.
Jane Boy Lane Boy. Follow that account, please. We'd be very appreciated. Are we still doing more things?
Sure.
Okay. We're gonna review.
No.
Wait, hold on.
Kiss my glass.
No. What are you doing? No. That's grease. Don't.
Oh, I thought that was nuts for a second. Mom, can you go get some nuts? Go get some nuts. Go.
These nuts.
Okay, Haley, you take on Haley.
Why don't you go check out these nuts?
Haley, you take on the show. I will be right. Can you redo it? We didn't know it was going.
Alright, ready?
3, 2, 1. Action!
Hi. Redo it.
I go first, but you gotta stick.
Anyway.
Oh, you have to say it again.
Wait, can you freeze it? I need.
Well, what I'll do is I'll just
3.
cut out whatever works.
I need
2.
more.
Just fart.
Okay, anyways. Hi, I'm Jalen.
Stop!
Can you just redo it for a second?
Alright.
3.
2, 1.
Hi, I'm Haley.
Hi, I'm Jalen.
And welcome to the Mini
Major
Sugar Cult Podcast YouTube. These nuts.
Haley, you are these nuts, everybody.
Who's your favorite Pokemon?
These nuts.
Walking in a winter wonderland. Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes.
Anyways, you want to go follow Jamie, Major Cult Podcast, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then also go follow our dog's account, Bridget's. Bridget Trucker Cult. Is it uppercase or lowercase?
I think they can just type
Okay,
in
we'll
Bridget
find
Trucker Cole.
Okay. Anyways, what are we supposed to do? Okay, anyways, so Haley, do you have anything to say?
No.
Jamie, move!
What were you saying?
Bears attack!
That
Tahoma, push him back.
The other one.
Yo.
That's kind of
I want to watch it. Go. Go. No.
You guys aren't done yet.
Oh, what? Okay, yeah.
What else am I supposed to do?
I love this. I love this. I love this.
Please cut those embarrassing parts out.
You have a montage of this video, yeah.
We have bloopers.
Yeah, bloopers.